Bemoan. To complain or express deep sadness about something. He bemoaned his poor choices from the past. She bemoaned the loss of her job for weeks. Thud. A heavy, dull sound when something falls. The book hit the floor with a thud. He dropped onto the chair with a tired thud. Pluck. Courage or the act of pulling something out. He plucked the flower gently from the ground. She showed great pluck during hard times. Tantrum. An outburst of anger, often uncontrolled. The child threw a tantrum in the store. His tantrum surprised everyone in the meeting. Quell. To stop or calm something forcefully. Police tried to quell the unrest. She spoke calmly to quell the argument. Loath. Unwilling or strongly not wanting to do something. She was loath to accept help because she wanted to be independent. He felt loath to speak the truth, fearing it might hurt others. Foolhardy. Taking dangerous risks without thinking. It was foolhardy to drive so fast in heavy rain. His foolhardy decision almost caused an accident. Confiscated. Taken away officially as a punishment or for safety. The teacher confiscated the phone during class. Illegal goods were confiscated by the police. Testimony. A formal statement given as evidence. Her testimony helped clarify what really happened. The witness gave honest testimony in court. Squeak. A short, high-pitched sound. The door made a loud squeak when it opened. The mouse let out a tiny squeak. Demise. Death or the end of something. The company's poor decisions led to its demise. The story describes the sudden demise of the king. Dispute. A disagreement or argument. The dispute between neighbors lasted for years. They resolved the dispute through calm discussion. Pledge. A serious promise. He made a pledge to always tell the truth. The charity received a pledge of support. Hollow. Empty inside or without real feeling. The tree was hollow inside. His apology sounded hollow and untrue. Cripple. To severely damage or weaken something. The injury crippled his ability to work. The crisis crippled the local economy. Obtuse. Slow to understand or notice things. He was obtuse about her feelings. Being obtuse can cause misunderstandings. Symbiotic. A relationship where both sides benefit. Bees and flowers share a symbiotic relationship. Trust creates a symbiotic bond between partners. Harangue. A long, angry speech meant to criticize. He delivered a harsh harangue to the workers. The speech sounded more like a harangue than advice. Pellucid. Very clear and easy to understand. The lake water was pellucid and calm. Her explanation was pellucid and helpful. Ineffable. Too great or emotional to describe in words. The beauty of the moment felt ineffable. He experienced an ineffable sense of peace. Susurrus. A soft whispering or rustling sound. The susurrus of leaves filled the night air. She listened to the susurrus of quiet voices. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.